Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Charles Road. Keep left onto Elf Charles Road.
These starters make 28 to 32 starts per season rather than the 35 to 40 that were common in previous generations. And despite medical advances, the increased physical demands of fishing have shortened many careers. And even
then all law enforcement would have to do is...
That must be one heavy mini truck.
I can see that. Oh boy, is that a heavy load.
That is... It's a Tonka too. I don't see a driver.
Well, he's high up in the cab.
Yeah.
Up and down the seam were two items. Each panel is either male or female. Interesting. Connected that way. They are then together bolted, as you can see. Don't be worried that locals will...
Off your entire Boots purchase. Boots is different. Their flowers are always fresh cut and sourced directly from the
Health Department, our wonderful Surgeon General has just issued an email to everybody in the state of Florida recommending that they not take
Jesus Christ. Name.
There we go. Light him up. Convenient cop? Come on, bro. No? You just scare him? There we go. Yeah. I'm gonna mute that and put it on Reddit.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.